points on right. And if you hook up electrodes up and turn up really high, get her eyes to flutter really interesting.
No way.
Sure. Yin Tong, Amla glabella between the eyebrows. Yeah, well, you know, I was going to just leave it alone. Yuya with the person looking directly forward. So what does this mean then?
Rudolph.
Yuya with the person looking directly forward. It's directly above the pupil. On the eyebrow. Taiyang, you can do it either way. Half the distance between the outer canthus and the eyebrow, one swim posterior, or just simply find the temple.
I know. Apparently.
Hmm?
I'm on the wrong side.
Urgian, apex of the ear. Chew, how everybody remember where stomach 1 is. Between the outer corner of the eye and the stomach 1, just above the infraorbital ridge, we're going to come half that distance. B-tong, smile at the highest point of the nasolabial groove. Ja Cheng Jang. Everybody see? From the midpoint, we come out half a cent. Okay, those are all the ones on the front.
Can you just touch them all and name them again?
Yin Tong, Yu Yao, Taiyang, Chu Ho, B Tong, do 25, but you don't have to do it right now, and Ja Chen Jang.
Urgent.
And Urjian.
What about these guys?
And then Chi Chin Chong or Si Shin Chong?
Shush and chong.
Siv Shen Song.
I think you have it.
You got it.
Did you write those down? I did.
Everybody okay with those?
Yep.
Ms. Heather, would you turn over Rebecca's face?
I have a drape. Huh? I have a drape. Oh.
Can I take the shirt off, please?
Camera's looking at the ceiling, don't worry.
All right.
No, it's mine. Oh, it's mine. Make sure it's
All right. By loud. This is the space below C7 or do 14. From do 14 to the posterior hairline is 3 tsun. By lao is 2 tsun up with 2/3 the distance and then 1 tsun lateral. Okay, everybody okay with by lao? On the end is half the distance between Sangel 17 and GB20, just beneath the occipital area of the skull. So this is GB20, and where my finger is, excuse me, this is on the end, and this is GB12, where my finger is.
You said between
GB20 and
close to
Sangel 17,
GB12.
just posterior to GB12. Ding Chuan. Find the space below C7, and I come 1/2 to 1 tsun lateral to the midline. Weiguan Shashu or Yishu is our pancreas point. We go to the space below the 8th thoracic. the medial edge of the scapula. I come down and I go just slightly lateral. Yao Gun, which is not in your book, but I still want you to know because it's important for, how can I bring these down an inch? It's important for sacroiliac pain. I find PSIS. I come in just slightly. It's the dimples in the back. Think of it that way. Okay. Shichi Jue Sha is found below. It's the space below L5. So if I find your iliac crest, that should bring me to L4. I'm going to come down 1 sun. And this is on the midline itself. Okay. And then the hot toe points, I want you to do 3. The hot toes are found 1/2 to 1 sun lateral to the space below a vertebrae. I want 1 lumbar, 1 thoracic, and 1 cervical. Okay. Now there's hot toes at each place, but I'm not making you do all of them, just 1 for each basic respective area.
Can you say that one more time? How far?
1/2 to 1 sun lateral to the midline, level with the space below each respective vertebra.
So it's a range. It's not like.
So the idea here is this is not an acupuncture point. We are kneeling in to affect the nerve roots as they come out of the spine. Okay? If it's 1 sun lateral, so if it's half a sun lateral, everybody see my pinky? Okay? It goes perpendicular. If it's 1 sun lateral, it's at an angle.
Bailao again?
Bailao
Yeah.
is 2 sun superior to the space below C7, or 2/3 of the distance between that and the posterior hairline, and 1 sun lateral. Do you want me to touch all the points again?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do them in order there.
My question, so Yao Gun, you didn't talk about, if you did talk about, but it wasn't on the PowerPoint.
Yes.
It was-
So it's this actually, when Angela and I were students, was Yaoyan, and then somebody changed it and made it into this. So they're both important because you'll see a fair amount of people who have sacroiliac pain and a fair amount of people with quadratus lumborum problems. So that's why you know both of them.
It's not in the book.
It's not in the book. It's an extra point, but it's not in Deadman, but it's extra point. Okay. Teacher's preference. Okay. Bai Lao, An Mien, Ding Chuan, Ishu, Yao Yan, Yao Gun, Shi Chi Jue Sha, plateau points. Okay? So, this is what you're going to do first. Adam, is that a review right there?
Yeah.
Can I go off for a second? All right. The way you're going to do the review, because